Hey everyone! On today's episode we're going to be doing something a little different. We're actually going to be doing a request video from Ninja Chicken, who requested me to make a Carnosaur from Total War Warhammer 2. So the Carnosaur is a lizardman monstrous unit. It's just a big dinosaur. And the first thing I thought of was dinosaur toys from like the $2 shop. I've actually gone and used toys like this before to make my own custom models, so it's nothing new. But this time I didn't intend to change it too far from its original. I actually went and bought a heap of these dinosaurs from the $2 shop. And this is just one of the guys I bought, and I painted him myself, and it didn't turn out as well as I was hoping, so I went and looked for a different kind of base model. So I came back from Kmart with this, and he was much better. He's got a lot more detail in him, like all these dots and stuff, and if you look at this guy's more of like just a skin, and I really wanted something to have more scaly of a texture. So I didn't use this one, obviously, because I've still got it. I ended up looking on eBay for a $2 dinosaur or whatever, and I ended up finding this guy right here. And he's one of those dinosaurs where you can open the mouth and close it, and it's really awesome. I bought two, and this is the one that I didn't use. But he's so awesome, and the paint job on him is insane. Like, I really like the look of it. So I decided to just keep him as he was. With the mouth ability to open. So all I did was I put a base on him, and the base was 3D printed. I could have just left him as he was. I decided to chuck a whole bunch of scenery on it. So the pack that I bought this guy in was in this, and as you can see, is dinosaur themed. It comes with a whole bunch of really crappy grass and stuff, but if you're really cheap like me, you can use this to your advantage. And I said like $10, it comes with a whole bunch of crap that you probably won't use. Maybe you will. There's like bridges and stuff that you can convert if you wanted to make some cheap scenery. I used it for the base. Now the base also used a bunch of static grass because I wanted to fill in the blanks and make it seem a lot more like a jungle floor. So at this stage, I thought the dinosaur looked great. But I wanted to add a little bit more, maybe have a rider on the back. So I've gone and designed a seat based off the Warhammer Games Workshop model and the Total War model, which are practically the same. And I've gone and printed that seat out and stuck it together and put him on. And I've designed the seat so it can be pretty much used on any model, as long as you have a little surface where he can sit on. So I've got this little like stegodon character thing. I'm thinking about turning this into another one, which may be a video later on down the line. You could imagine having the seat on this guy with the base and all that stuff, it'd look awesome. But for now, we're just focusing on the Carnosaur. And the Carnosaur's seat was printed off in multiple components. I put it on and I painted it up and whatnot, and he needed a rider. And I thought, how am I gonna do this? I actually bought a bunch of scrap parts from eBay, and they just happened to come with some little Saurus warriors, and I decided I'd use those. So these are the models with that little slit bit that goes into the base. All I did was cut that off, and I didn't really customize the model at all. I just stuck him straight onto the seat. And to make him look a little bit more like he belonged on the seat, I decided to use some green stuff and make some like leather straps to go around the dinosaur. It also completed the actual seat, so it looked like the seat was strapped down and not just magically sitting on top. Overall, this unit looks freaking amazing. I'm actually blown away by how good it looks. The mouth still opens and closes. You can see here. I can't believe how cool it is. I would really like to see someone do the exact same thing with this chair that I've made, and I'll make it available on Thingiverse for anyone to use. I'm looking at creating some warriors for the seat itself, but until I do, it's just going to be a seat. The base as well will be available, and let me know what you think. Do you think he looks freaking awesome? Because I think he looks freaking awesome. I'm really blown away by how awesome it looks. So this is the original right here. You can see there's not much of a difference. I've added a couple things to the paint job, and obviously the base and the seat and all that crap. But look at how awesome they look. I can't get over it. Yeah, like I said, I'm thinking about converting other models so we could have some dinosaurs, rideable dinosaurs. And this seat is going to be used for multiple different riding dinosaurs. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe. And maybe you got a friend out there that might want to see something created from a $2 shop toy. It's pretty damn awesome. So, yeah. Also, if you want to make any requests, just leave them in the comments below. I may or may not work on it depending on my time frame, but at the moment, I'm pretty keen to work on some requests. So send them in and we'll see what happens. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.